Okay, guys, we're working on geometry. We're working on coordinate points. So, which point on the grid below is located at the coordinates 3, 4? So remember that 3 is x and 4 is y. So we're going to go over. If it helps, let's label these so you don't get confused. So all I'm doing is labeling my coordinate points, the ones that don't have numbers in between, so that I can go over 2, 3. So I go over 3 and I need to go up 4 points. Go over 3, I go up 4, and that is letter B. And your answer is B. Okay, question number 2. This coordinate grid shows 4 points to form a rectangle. Which statement is true about the coordinate points? Point P and point Q have the same x coordinates. Point P and point S have the same x coordinates. Point Q and point R have the same y coordinates, and point Q and point S have the same y coordinates. In order to do this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave S, and I'm going to label my coordinate points for S. We're going to assume this is 0, so this is 1. So coordinate S has 1. Just label these real quick. So take a moment and label your points here so that you can check. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So all I did is label my coordinates. Now S is located at 1, 2. Okay. Let's go to P. P is 1, 5. Q, R. Q is 6. Five, and R is 6, 2. So now you have to look at this. Point P and point Q have the same x coordinates. Remember, this is x, this is y. Do point P and point Q have the same x? No. Point S, P and S have the same x coordinates. True. Let's see the rest. Point Q and R have the same y coordinates. And point Q and S have the same y coordinates. No. So your answer is actually B. Your answer is actually B. Okay. Question number 3. 3 locations in Paulstown are plotted on the coordinate grid below. 1 unit square represents 1 square mile. Paul's father works at the police station, and his mother is a teacher at his school. Which directions on the grid could Paul's father use to get from work to his house? Okay, remember Paul's dad, right? Paul's father, and Paul's father is at the police station. So I want to go from the police station to Paul's dad. Paul's house, sorry. So we're starting here, and it says move units to the left. Well, what's the left and right? So you want to go this way, right? Move 2 units to the left. 1, 2. Move up 3 units. 1, 2, 3. Possibly. Let's give it another one. Move 3 units to the left. Move up 2 units. 1, 2, 3. Up 2 units. 1, 2. That would not put you at Paul's house. Move over 4 units to the right and up 4 units. Remember, going right. 1, 2, 3, 4. And up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. and move 6 units to the right and up 1 unit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up 1 unit would put you over here. So the answer is A. Okay. Looking at question number 4. Nicole left Mel's house to visit a classmate. If she traveled 1 coordinate to the right on the x-axis and 3 coordinates up on the y-axis, who did Nicole visit? Who is she leaving? She's leaving Mel's house. So we need to start here. That's our starting point. And she's traveling to 1 coordinate to the right. And she's moving 3 coordinates up. 1, 2, 3. Whose house did she go? Over 1, move it up 1, 2, 3, leaving you at Matt's house. Okay? Question number 5. The map of downtown Cedar Point is shown. Which location is at 3, 4? 1, 2, 3, go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the answer is the toy store. Remember, these are easy questions. Question number 6. On the grid below, Charlotte can be found by moving left 3 and down 2 from Raleigh. So right here, left. So 1, 2, 3. Down 2. 1, 2. And take a moment and look at what coordinate point this is right here. And you should find your answer. Question number 7. Albert made a grid on his neighborhood. He put his friend's house at point N, O, and P. N, O, and B. N, O, and B. These are his friend's house. His house is point M. This is his house. That's why it's a square. Put out square. What are the coordinates for Albert's house? So they kind of tricked you here because they gave you extra information up here. So what you need to do is look at M. I would draw a straight line down and a straight line over, and you should have your answer. Remember to go over this way and then up. Over and up. Over and up. You should have your answer. Okay. Question 8. What are the coordinates for point M on the graph? Really simple. Go over and up. Over and up. Take a moment and go over and up. Question number 9. Which ordered pair is located 3 units to the right and 6 units up from 0, 0? Well, the first thing you need to do is write 0, 0 and put a point on 0, 0. 0 over, 0 up. Now you need to go 3 units to the right. 1, 2, 3. And 6 units up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my new point is here. Take a moment and figure out what the coordinate points are for that one. And we have one more question. Amy used the letters of her name to label the points, 4 points in the coordinate picture below. Which point best represents the location of the ordered pair? 2, 0. 2, 0.